Hello everyone and welcome back to day 5. Yes, that's 5 days of learning in Christ alone. This has to be the toughest song that we have attempted to learn how to sign, because when we're finished, it's going to be a 7-part tutorial. But I think you'll all agree, especially if you're with me this far, that it is a fantastic song worth learning. So today we are learning the bridge, and you only need this bridge if you are learning the version sung by Passion featuring Kristian Stanfill. If you are learning how to sign the original version of the song sung by Stuart Townend, then you have everything you need already and you can go on to the walkthrough. But for those of you who need to learn the bridge, let's get started. Remember, I am left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below the video in the description, you will find a link to print off both versions of the lyrics. And last but not least, please consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, so no guilt in life, no fear. Oh, no, sorry, that's verse 4. Okay, I find my strength, I find my hope. So this bridge is fast. Okay, so we are gonna have to keep it simple. Still, verse 4, I'm losing my marbles, guys. Okay, I find, okay, find. So it's like you're picking something up and then you're conveniently making an F. I find my strength. I find my hope. Okay, so you're bending your hands. We learned that one earlier. My hope. I find my, and then help. You have non-dominant hand here and your dominant hand is making a thumbs up and you kind of lift it all. Okay, my help in Christ alone. Okay, let's try that again. I find my strength. I find my hope. I find my help in Christ alone. Okay, when fear assails, so this is a sign for when, but I doubt we're gonna have time. Okay, we're taking our index finger and going around and then touching our non-dominant index finger. This is fast, so we'll probably drop that. And so we're just gonna go fear. When fear comes, okay, when darkness falls, so it's the same, only over to your face, okay, darkness falls, okay, falls. I find my peace, find my peace. Nice thing is that we've learned most of these words already in the song. Okay, find my peace in Christ alone. I give my life, so making G's and you're giving it to heaven. I give my life, L's to your stomach and then up to your ribs. I give my life. I give my all. I sing my songs to Christ alone. So sing and song is the same one. So we're just going to do I sing, okay, my songs to Christ alone. Now this part, the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. I find it way too fast to go king, so you're making a K. The King of Kings, so I'm probably just gonna do one king. He's the king, and then Lord is an L. He's the Lord, okay? He's the king, and he's the Lord. All heaven sings, all, and then heaven, I don't think we've learned that yet for this song. Rolling your hands over one another, okay? And then those golden streets, okay? Heaven sings to Christ alone. Okay, let's practice that a few times, okay? I find my strength. I find my hope. I find my help in Christ alone. When fear assails, when darkness falls, I find my peace in Christ alone. I give my life. I give my all. I sing my songs to Christ alone. The King of Kings, the Lord of Lords. All heaven sings. Just do heaven there, not all. Heaven sings to Christ alone. And let's try that again. Okay, I find my strength. I find my hope. I find my help in Christ alone. When fear assails and when darkness falls, I found my peace in Christ alone. I give my life, I give my all. I sing to my song to Christ alone, the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. All heaven sings to Christ alone. One more time. Okay, this is the part of the song that I'm not as familiar with because I've always sung or signed the original version. So I'm a little out of my element here too. Sorry, there's a fly that's driving me a little bonkers here. Okay, so I find my strength. I find my hope. I find my help in Christ alone. When fear assails and when darkness falls, I found my peace in Christ alone. I give my life, I give my all. I sing my song to Christ alone. Okay, and then the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. All heaven sings to Christ alone. Okay, so that's everything you need for the bridge. So when you are feeling ready, I know I'm gonna take a big drink first because I am parched. You can move on to the walkthrough, okay? I'm a little nervous myself for this walkthrough. I put 90% odds that I make some goof ups and mistakes, but remember, God cares far more about the condition of your heart than the position of your hands, okay? So stick with it, and looking forward to seeing you in the next video when we walk through in Christ alone. Hope you're having a great day. Bye. I am so blessed and encouraged to hear over and over again how God is using this channel in order to accomplish his mission here on earth. If you have a story, please leave it in the comments or send me an email. It's so encouraging to me when I hear what sign language worship means to you.